Hi and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to build a sawhorse. 2 sawhorses, because everybody needs sawhorses, right? Yeah. And I'm gonna make each in about 15 minutes, maybe less than that. Okay, I got the lumber pre-cut and I'm gonna show you how basically how it's going to be look like. Okay, these are going to be the legs. I'm gonna cut it in half and this is going to be placed like this. One here, you cut it and I will show you. And then I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna cut here real quick. I'm gonna cut here center lap and I'm going to place this one on top of it. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this is basically it. And I'm gonna use the help of these guys and I'm gonna screw them here and here. Yes, you can hate me as much as you want, but I got those here, so why not utilize what you have in your shop? So I got those, I'm gonna use them. Yes, sure, I could drill a hole or use a board or whatever, yeah? That's a good size for a leg, right? Like this. You can see it, but I think this is good. Let's go, let's go. Screws. Okay, one. Good time. Screwing. It's good. Try this one. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, too strong. Time is running, baby. Time is running. Time is running. Okay. The other one. Place it in the middle. Like this. Splint. There is a splint. Okay, then 1. Okay, good. More screws. 1. 2. 3. 4. 1 leg. First leg. Good. Works fine. But I did forget something. Before I do the rest of it, I need to do the center lap before I put it here on. It's gonna be much easier, right? Okay, just unscrew this one. I need some love. How much time? How much time? Oh, okay, forget about it. About 40. what I've been doing is drawing this side, this side, this side, this side, to put this one on it, like that. Okay. This one here. This one here. Oh, okay. This is going inside. Right? Come on. Okay. Let's continue. Oh my god, the air here is really bad. Okay, got the first one. Okay. One more. Good, okay. Second one. Okay, I finished one. Yeah. And I think it's pretty good. So this is a really quick sawhorse. And if I want to disassemble it, just 4 screws. Two, okay, and 2 here and 2 here. Okay, there are 8 screws which are going to be loosened in no time. So, I think I'm ready to cut some lumber. Oh, I need a second one. But in the meantime, yeah, thanks for watching. It worked perfectly fine. See? This is heavy. You know what? I think I need more lumber. Damn it.